Good morning students. I hope everyone is doing well. I welcome you in the class of science. So we are reading chapter birds, chapter number 8. Till now we have read about the different types of beaks that birds have and the feet and claws they have and what is the function of feet and claws in them. Usually birds have 2 feet and 4 toes on each, and they use their feet for different functions. They hold the branches of the trees and sit on them. Some birds, they get their food by tapping in the wood and making hole over there with their beaks. Now next is, let's remember on page number 81. Let's start the let's remember. Let's see what it is about. See, first is match the following. We have to match the right hand side with the left hand side, column A with the column B. First is a sparrow. Sparrow, it eats nuts and grains. So, C is the answer of first. Next, hoopoe. Hoopoe, it eats insects from the holes. Eagle, it eats small birds and animals. Duck, it takes insects and worms from water. And sunbird, it is the bird that take out nectar from the flowers. It sucks nectar from the flowers. So this is all about match the following. See, 5, 4, 1, 2, 3. So this is the order. Next is, give 2 examples for the following. We have to write 2 examples for the following. What are the 2 examples? First is, we have to give 2 examples of the perching birds. 2 examples are sparrow and pigeon. Then wading birds, heron and stork. Scratching birds, peacock and hen. So these are the 2 examples. Let's write them. First, they have asked about the perching birds. 2 perching birds. Perching birds are the birds that hold the branches with their feet, that are perching birds. First is a sparrow, and the second one is pigeon. Next, wading birds. Wading birds are those birds that walk in water because they have long legs. Heron and stork. Third one is scratching birds. Scratching birds are the birds that dig the ground and then searches their food from there. Peacock and hen, they are the scratching birds. They scratch the ground. Perching birds, sparrow and pigeon. Wading birds, heron and stork. And scratching birds, peacock and hen. Next is how birds fly. Next topic is how birds fly. Now we will read about the flying. Birds fly with the help of wings. Wings are joined to the body with strong muscles that help them to move. These muscles help the bird to move its wings. To fly, a bird flaps its wings both in the upward and downward direction. These strokes are called upstroke and downstroke respectively. Hanji bete. How does a bird fly? We know a bird flies with the help of the wings. It has wings on its body. That is why it flies. You must have seen the birds flying in the environment. Now these wings, these are joined on the body of the birds with the help of muscles. As we have muscles, that is why we are able to move our arms, legs, because we have muscles in them. The same way the birds, they also have muscles विंग्स आर जॉइंट टू द बॉडी विद स्ट्रॉन्ग मसल्स से जुड़े हुए हैं उनके विंग्स, एंड दीज मसल्स दे हेल्प द विंग्स टू मूव, इसकी वजह से जो विंग्स हैं वो मूव करते हैं बर्ड्स के। दीज मसल्स हेल्प द बर्ड टू मूव इट्स विंग्स। टू फ्लाई अ बर्ड फ्लैप्स इट्स विंग्स बोथ इन द, यू मस्ट हैव सीन बर्ड्स फ्लाइंग, whenever you must have seen that birds, they flap their wings first in the upward direction, then in the downward direction. That is called upward stroke and downstroke. What it is called? एक बार वो अपने विंग्स को ऊपर लेके जाते हैं, एक बार वो नीचे लेके आते हैं. That is called upstroke. When they take their wings in the upward direction, move their wings in the upward direction, that is called upstroke. Up means ऊपर, and when they move the wings in the downward direction, that is called downstroke. It is also shown over here in your book. Upstroke and downstroke. See bete, this is upstroke because the wings they are in the upward direction, that is upstroke. And downstroke, this is downstroke, wings are in the downward direction, so that is called downstroke. This is how the birds they fly. So birds they fly with the help of the wings. They are attached to the body of the birds with the help of muscles. Muscles help the wings to move in the upward and downward direction. When the wings they move in the upward direction, that is called upstroke, and when they move in the downward direction, that is called downstroke. Next topic is feathers. First we have read about wings. Now we will read about feathers. Now birds they have wings as well as feathers too. Now what are feathers? A bird's body and wings are covered with many feathers. There are three kinds of feathers. The body of the bird, it is covered with feathers. जो उसकी full body है bird की, it is totally covered with feathers. Wings के ऊपर भी feathers होते हैं. The soft part that you must have seen fallen somewhere when the birds they come in your courtyards, and when they fly, you have seen sometimes the feathers they fall off on the ground. That is very soft. It is very soft and smooth. That is a feather. The bird's body, it is totally covered with feathers. There are mainly three kinds of feathers. Now what are the kinds of feathers? Three main kinds of feathers in birds are: first is body feathers, next is down feathers, and the last one is flight feathers. Now what are they? Body feathers cover a bird's body. Body means they are totally present on the body. They cover the whole body of the bird, that are called body feathers. Next, down feathers. Down feathers are fluffy and soft. They keep the bird warm. Down feathers, they are very soft and fluffy like cotton. So what is their function? They keep the body warm. They keep the body of the bird warm. उनको cold से बचाते हैं. So they keep the body warm. Next, flight feathers are found mainly on the wings and are meant for flying. What is the function of flight feathers? Flight means flying. So they are mainly present on the wings, as wings they help to fly. So they are present on the wings and they help in flying. वो flying में help करते हैं. So what are the three kinds of feathers? Body feathers, they are present on the body of the birds. They cover the body of the birds. Down feathers, they help to keep the body warm. And flight feathers, they are present on the wings and they help to fly. So these are the three types of feathers. Down feathers, they are very fluffy and soft. So that is why they keep the body warm.